Why does your scanner show the P1217 engine code? What does it mean? The P1217 is a diagnostic trouble code that indicates an engine over temperature. In this situation, cease driving and repair your vehicle immediately. It means that the cooling system or a component in it is malfunctioning. When this happens, the engine coolant temperature becomes abnormally high temperature condition. If not fixed promptly, it can cause severe engine damage or even a catastrophic failure. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these three possible faults in your car. Coolant temperature sensor, low coolant, VCT solenoid. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. Mostly, this engine code occurred in Nissan models: Altima, Maxima, Rogue, Sentra, Murano, Frontier, Pathfinder, Juke, Titan, and Infiniti vehicles: Infiniti G35, Infiniti G37, Infiniti Q50, Infiniti QX60, Infiniti M35. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.